I'm going to show you how to make CCF tea, which is a favorite in Ayurveda. It's a really simple digestive tea, and it's good when your digestion is feeling kind of off. Like maybe you're feeling overly full, not digesting well, heavy. This helps to kindle the digestive fire. So we need 4 things: coriander seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, and water. And this is really easy. You put a cup of water into a little saucepan, and then 1/3 of a teaspoon of each of the seeds into your water. And then you bring it all to a boil. So once it boils, then you turn it to a simmer and simmer it for 3 minutes, 5 minutes. That's usually enough to kind of bring out all of the power of these different digestive seeds. So I'll show you what that looks like in a second. Okay, it's all done. So you can see it takes on a really beautiful, almost green color. And then we just strain it and then drink it. And it should be drank warm. The other thing that you can do is double the recipe. So 2 cups water, and then about 2/3 teaspoon each of cumin, coriander, fennel. Cook it the same way, simmer it for a few minutes, and then strain it into a thermos. And then keep that thermos with you along with a mug. Pour it into the mug, drink it warm, sip by sip, to kind of kindle the digestive fire throughout the day.